Okay, yes, took out this high. We have SMT like this. SMT there. Yes, took out that previous day high. We traded into this previous day EQ and started rejecting. 4 hour, just the 4 hour low. From here, longs would be better because obviously it's following that bullish trend right here. Hourly, yep, it's at that EQ level. Shots wouldn't be bad, but I just came now, had few work to do, so somebody there. Yo, what's up? How to see how it reacts? Obviously, waiting for some bullish setups if possible. Otherwise, the SMT will go to this previous day low. What are these? Are these real? I don't know why so many candles. This candle doesn't have top wick, no bottom wick. How? No top wick, no bottom wick, no bottom wick. We are inverting this gap. Stops would be too high. I wanted to take shots here, but uh, stops are the problem. Something like this. Stops has to be here. Once I can enter at this retest. Nah, this is a bad trade. Uh, this 15 minute is still holding. Sorry, 4 hour, hourly tapped this low. 5 minute is still bearish. Is there SMT? I can take this trade with this like less probability. I would prefer longs. Because we are trading in this previous day EQ, this high, this low, AQ. Yeah, you can do that. 15 to 5 is good. Right now, I want this to hold. If it takes out this low again, I'll be trying to look for longs. Right now, this inversion has protected itself. There's like a 5 minute inversion. Didn't feel like taking this. It shouldn't go. Instead of 4 minute, it's 2 and 3 minute. If this inverts, it can go higher. Yeah, I'd probably take this long. Because right now we reacted to this early, yeah, we have like stacked up highs. If it flips, it should go like very good. Limit order. Okay,
Order
longs there.
filled.
Stops has to be there. It can retest here, but yeah. TP wise, we'll see how to keep my stops to break even once it taps here. This high. Was that 15-minute high? So it must also be break even there. We arrange this. Okay, nice push out of there. Ultimately, if it wants to continue higher, so this the low, this the high, we came trade into that 50% daily EQ, also this 50% low. So from here, if it wants to make higher high, so I'll continue doing that. So overall time frame, everything is like bullish. Once it flips, I'll keep my stops to break even. I'll be this high. Well, that's a bad flip. Instantly died. Hamba, hamba, ramba, ramba. I still give it space. It can tap this gap and then go. L probably we have to see. Still a very good chance that it can pump higher. What are you targeting? These relative equal highs right here. Where is this news? I tried full putting news, nothing happened. This was the news, I guess. 7, yeah, this was the news, nothing happened. My cell stop was here, my boy stop was here. Didn't do anything. I'll let the trade play out. How is he is? Okay, that's nice. I'll be looking into ES also. Once it takes out the size, set cap. Nah, there's nothing here. Maybe on NQ we are lagging. ES rejected nicely from the CQ. ES is a bit sus. ES and like NQ are like too uncorrelated. Here, like there's no gap on like 15-minute. Here we didn't even trade into that 50%. This 15-minute gap is heavily uncorrelated. I'll see if I can extend my target if it once goes here. It depends on how we close here at this 15-minute gap. If we like wick here and then push down, it's gonna be break even. So I want like strong candles out of this. If it does that, I can target till these relative equal highs. This would be my final high. I don't know what success. What's the speed? I have to see how it reacts here. Yeah, I don't know how ES is moving faster than NQ. Would push bullish candle. Yeah. The way it is reacting right now, I'm confident that it'll at least go till this 15-minute high. You're like literally consolidating. This is what happens when you trade, like when the 4-hour candle opens and the newly 4-hour candle opens. It usually consolidates in the beginning. Obviously, so every time there's like a higher time frame open, there's always like accumulation, then it manipulates, then it distributes. This 4 hour, okay, this 4 hour also we didn't take high or low. We took out high, we made this SMT, which made this price go lower. It's- You know what is happening? We are trading trend lines now. There's a line like this, there's a line like this. Oh, we're finally breaking out. Let's go. I don't trade ICT, I trade trend lines. I'm I'm Tory trades. Nah, that's not A plus. This setup would have been A plus if it takes this 4 hour low right here. If it would have taken this low and then it pushes bullish, then this exact setup would have been A plus. Since this low is pending, I'm a little scared. Hey, we are finally pushing higher. Oh no, brothers, Gorta, bro. Yeah, I know them. They went to jail recently. They came out also. Thinking to get, oh, bro, don't copy my trades, please. Yeah, it's like a B or B minus, but it's good. I'm confident it'll go till here. So after that, break even and let it see. Let's see how it goes. Need strong candles. That's the thing. It usually happens at like new 4 hour candle. Okay, okay, no. If it consolidates, what can I do? I can't move Nasdaq, right? I'll move on its own. Then I took it on this 3 minute inverse. It's too bad. It is seriously making this pattern just body to body. I don't trade trend lines, but yeah, it's stuck in this consolidation. All CS. The thing is that ES and NQ are like very uncorrelated. But like on lower time frames, like if you take 3 minute, 3 minute, this is getting supported, and we inverted like the small 3 minute here. It should push price till this high at least. But no volume, no volume. It's like contracting. I could have avoided taking this just by waiting for this 4 hour low or high to be taken. This 4 hour low or this high. But chances of going higher are like way too high because of how small this topic is. It's cooked. Those like last pair wale guy which has to hold. Otherwise it's cooked. Yeah man, it sucks. Yeah. See, from here to this volume was good. From here to here, this volume was good. From here to this volume was good. From here to here, this volume was good. Suddenly I enter trade, boom, 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 nothing. It's going nowhere. If you look on like 30-second chart, you'll get to understand how bad it is. Why does the feeling it'll still go higher? I don't know why. Should be that confident. This is like last defense. If this fails, it'll just pick me out and then it might go higher. But I'll wait for this 4 hour low to be taken out then. AS also is like reacting to this gap. So if this is accumulation, this is manipulation, it might distribute higher. Most PA news is also unable to move the NQ. You want to know something? Look at this. I try to full port news in the other account. See right here. I kept buy stops here, sell stops here. There's a news candle. It didn't go anywhere. I just closed it. I literally bought 5 contracts. There's one right here. This is not the trade. I have one Apex account with well charts. I just wanted to get over with it. So 5 contracts. This much if it hits TP, this much if it hits like TP, both sides. This was the candle it made. I'm like, what happened? 4 news we had, and it gave all hopes. Oh damn, it was this candle. My stop was exactly there. It was 50. Yeah, would have made this much if I got this much done. Not in this much. I needed this much. Didn't even move. Why is this so bad, PA? I'll probably take this. This might be the only trade which I took take today. What is this? That too, it happens as soon as I enter. That's the worst part. If it happens like before, if it happens after, it's fine. Always happens when I enter. I feel I'll still go higher because of how this low resistance liquidity is right now, right here. Getting some bullish candle. You bought Apex accounts, yeah. This is also Apex accounts I'm trading. Took minus 30 and got out. Imagine it just runs now. All you do. Imagine it just goes higher. Thank you for getting out. I feel like after you got out, it started pushing higher. It wanted some way to get out. Yeah, break even right now. Positives. Suddenly started printing good candles. Waiting for this 5 minute inverse, that's like too late. Once, see, once we print out like no new lower high, new lower low, you can like switch out to like lower time frame and see inversion in that. This inversion has been already fulfilled. If, if this is a new high, this is a new low. Once it traces back to that high, you can like switch. If it traces like one more lower high, lower, one more lower low, then you can see inversion here and then trade higher. Damn, we're back. Finally. This was supposed to have break even once it hits. We'll see if it closes strongly. I literally want to extend it till this side. This is my final target. I want like a strong candle closure, otherwise the volume suddenly picked. See, this is what happens: accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Manipulated it to the slower last fair value gap. That's like very strong candles. A little bit more. We already have SMT like this. Come on, push this high. I'll trail my stops to this low now. This low somewhere here. Because after reaction like this, it shouldn't come back. It'll just die off till my stop loss. Which firm are you using right now? One is Apex, one is I have multiple firms right now. I have Funding Text and Apex currently, which I'm using. It's better like this. Okay. Still, my stop will be around a bit below this low. I feel like it'll still come back to break even and go higher. It should be complete break even. I'm a bit confident on like price trading higher. This was a, it's not a good closure at this 15-minute high. What to do, 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 what to do. This is technically my break-even spot. It was like not a good closure. If I still react to this 3 minute gap. So right now my self-defense is this. So that's why it's under this. I'm just trailing it a bit higher instead of like keeping it break even. Because many times what happens is it just comes, wakes me out, and then goes like this. I'm ready to like have like tighter stops now. Currency trade करना छोड़ दिया. I do sometimes trade, but yeah, most probably I don't trade because the only currency which I liked was Euro USD. Other one was AUD USD. Those are the only two pairs which I was profitable. I stopped mainly, but I still look at Euro USD now and then. Other than that, I use sometimes commodities or gold. So what is happening? I knew this gap was gonna hold. See, it holded the candle body close above. This candle should just rip at least at this 95 level. After that, if it wants to continue higher, so this happens every time. I don't know how people don't notice. See right here, parallel channel we swept. We came to this liquidity where this proper stop hunt, and then we just ripped higher. Same thing right here. Came to this weekly gap. Reacted to that C. This was a manipulation pushed higher. Same thing right here. Weekly C. We just like tapped inside, closed above the fair value gap. If it wants to continue higher, it should go from here. It happens almost all the time. Here also a manipulation, smaller manipulation. Here also like a small manipulation goes higher. It's like generational wealth right here. Oh my god, I'm back to break even. Didn't see. What was that? This is like a small loss I'm ready to take because it's like a very good risk to reward if it hits. This is what I would have got stopped at break even. Let me see if it was worth it or not. See, I told you from the beginning of the stream that I was confident till this 15-minute high. After that, I don't know. If this 3 minute holds, it should continue pushing higher because we have like multiple fair value gaps. It's a 4 hour high. Yeah, we'll see if it can push again higher, taking this as support instead of like getting stopped at break and see this what happens. What I got stopped at break and it just runs higher. So just trailed it back to the slow. We'll see if it's a good decision or not. Yeah, obviously NQES they are like I don't know how but ICT works way too good in NQES and YM compared to gold and the other pairs. It works good with Euro USD, but I still don't like it. And the thing is that the this only works in NQ, right? Sorry, NYSE, right? NYSE, like New York session, it moves very good. Other pairs, Euro USD, it moves in Asia better. AUD USD also moves in Asia better. I can't wake up and trade. and it has like two complete different behavior when you're trading in NY session and Asia session. That's also there. I need to see this inversion right here. If this inversion happens, GG trade will just rip higher till the side. I just want this inversion, and again, if we close above the side, I'll keep my stops to like complete break even. Then it has like no reason to push lower. This candle has to invert. Is there like any other time frame? No. Okay, this inversion has to happen. See what happened right here. Like sellers are getting aggressive right here, leaving like a gap. If buyer shows aggression, it'll just push higher. So buyers are more in control right here compared to sellers. There's a point where I want to see like a good reaction. If it inverts right here, it'll come till this high, complete break even. Then potentially it'll go till these relative highs. I think you should. I'll wait. Don't worry. Let it reach this high, then only I'll go. Because we might still reject from this wick. Yeah, like, we might still reject from this wick. One man, note this gap. Man, what is this price action play? It is not even no news to no news Tuesday or something, no news Monday. It's we had three freaking red folder news, and there's the price action we get. I heard indices are more regulated and less manipulated. Yeah, obviously, the freaking government holds this. Nasdaq, but the whole US economy depends on how Nasdaq and ES moves. Euro USD are like just transaction pairs which you use mainly. Once you like, it is used for like exchange rates, right? For like different currencies. And that also US holds the power. So whereas everything is almost connected to US in some other ways. And how is US connected? It's mainly US economy is mainly dependent on how S&P reacts, not even NQ. Because S&P has like 500 top companies compared to NQ. So yeah, it mainly depends on how ES moves. So basically, how ES moves is how the overall world moves. If ES crashes 1%, it's like 1 trillion. It's like 1 to 2 trillion per percent. Let's see from here to 1%. Yeah, if it crashes, if it goes from this side to this low, is it 1% right here? Close. So it's almost like $1 trillion move right here. $1 trillion. If and if I compare like this, uh, not here. This is whole India's economy. Yeah, this move right here can buy whole India. Not there exactly. Around this move, this move. This move can buy whole India's economy. bro. Why is it still consolidating? आप एक ही सिंगल अकाउंट में ट्रेड करो या आप पांच के साथ? आई एम कॉपी ट्रेडिंग बिटवीन टू अकाउंट्स राइट नाउ. One more is on like standby, which I want to trade on news. So yeah, I am trading on like two accounts. One I use like my phone to trade, and other I use in like in this computer. Market's like too slow right now. Okay, it's about to take out this high. Yeah, stops to break even. GG, damn. Give a really nice. Oh my god, damn, nice one. See, this is the thing. If I put my stops to break even once it hit this high, I would have killed myself. I would have missed this move right here. That's why I moved it to this low. Like nice decision. Damn, it's like literally making rocket. This is what DD candle means. GG's nice. Damn though, nice push. I was like 50. One. See if it can push. Just pushing. Let it run, let it run, let it run, let it run. Sell right there.
Order filled.
Took one partial. It was showing a bit of like weakness right here at this rejection wick. If equalize gets taken on SMV, will you exit? Probably, yeah. Did it do that? It almost did. Yeah, it did, bro. I would have probably exited everything. Now, since we are trading in this order block and say this fair value gap is still in action right now, so yeah, we'll see how it goes. It's totally uncorrelated. We have divergence also, like very big. I feel like it should hit target. Because of how if they are like too uncorrelated, this is like too much uncorrelation between NQ and ES. It's literally making so big correlation. So if that happens, either NQ will try to chase ES price action till here, or ES will try coming to NQ's price action. Move to this side. It's too uncorrelated. So either this will chase or that will chase. So it depends on your luck. Oh my god, the wait was worth it at least. That's the where I can run it till here. This would be my trade. I just don't want to like straight up reject. It still has like too many gaps which can react higher. We are trading in this 3 minute gap. We're about to create this 5 minute gap. We noted this 15 minute gap. Straight up dumping. Bro, what is this dump? It's like I was up so good. I took partial exactly at the top. The thing is that I have to like take full profits. That's like biggest mistake which I'm doing right now in Apex. Apex, like my trailing drawdown would have been increased by this much also since it reached till this high. So all this is like extra loss, even though I my stops are like to break even. That's like worst part in trading Apex. How come we rejected so fast? Rarely happens. The reason I just holded this trade for like longer is it, like, let, I think break even, break even, break even. Yeah, I just got stopped at
Stop
break
filled.
even. The reason I extended my TP instead of like closing everything is because we inverted this 15-minute gap. This was the last thing which was holding price. This gap right here. And then we had this previous 4 hour high. NQ wanted to do something different. Yeah, another day, another W. It's fine. But it sucks when it rejects so fast. From where? Enter trade right here. So slow. This price action, this price action. It picked up after this reaction right here. This would have been like a go-to trade, like this or something. But it's like very hard to catch. BTC analysis. BTC is bullish, bro. It is reacting to this 15-minute gap right here. This inversion. Would have probably entered right here after this 15-minute close. Should run higher to previous year high. But break even, strict break even at this 1 hour high. Or else if you're like too confident, keep break even at this high. Let this trade run because of how bullish we are. From here, we are creating that market maker buy model. Till here, it was like this market maker sell model. From here, that is like proper market maker buy model. So any high, any low, if it makes, just try buying at this 50% mark. So see if you can add many confidences and see if you can take longs to this high. That's how you're gonna analyze BTC. BTC at least break even here, target here. So it's proper buy. We took out that previous 4 hour candle also. We took out both high and low, makes the probability less, but yeah, we rejected this wick. This is how wick rejection works. So if it wants to push bullish, it'll do from here. I got wicked out here, but still, there's like very another one I have to see, bro. It's like very bad price action. If it was like volatile like this, I would have like 100% tried. Right now, I have to see how it trades. Because after inverting this 15 minutes, there's like no reason for it to go any lower. If it wants to continue lower, it'll go till this 4 hour gap, 4 hour, sorry, this 4 hour low, and then from react there, go till these highs. And NQES are like two uncorrelated. Now we are making divergence like this, and we are in this 4 hour big gas gap. So probability is less. If it still continues bullish, it should go till this external high. That's the only external high which is left on ES. So this is your like buy side liquidity. Yeah, so this right now is making buy side curve after making a sell side curve right here. So try looking for buys. It's giving like good longs. So that's my plan. So if it gives again longs from here tomorrow till this high gets taken out, this side, this side, this side. Yep, another day, another W. It's a 45-minute long trade. Now, guys, I'll be going one trade done for the day. It's like two bad price action, seriously. We literally moved nowhere. So yeah, we'll take tomorrow. We'll have better price tomorrow. Sorry for that. Tomorrow I'll be going home, so probably I won't stream. I'll try. I'll try doing a post recap on YouTube or something. So yeah, tomorrow I can't stream. Day after I'll stream from home. I have only laptop, no monitor, so it'll be a bit hard, but we'll do something. So yeah, the trick is if I'm not on any, well, even your piece setup immense. Yeah, bro. Bye, 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 bye. Take care. See, now it's pumping. Now it's going higher. It literally wicked me out and then pushing higher. With this break even is must because we are generating like these low resistance liquidity right here like this. Guys might come take it out. So yeah guys, bye bye. I want to see how it closes in 3 minutes. Because we actually noted this 15-minute gap right here. There's no reason for it. No, that's the thing, right? There's no reason for it to go any lower. Sucks to get wigged out here. I'll start trading. It's fine. Bye bye, guys. Bye bye. Bye bye.